Hi friends, welcome to our channel where creativity meets functionality. In this video, we are diving into the world of modern paver or walkway design ideas that would elevate your outdoor space. Whether you are looking to revamp your backyard, create an inviting entryway, or craft a beautiful garden path, we have got you covered. Explore a stunning array of contemporary paver patterns and materials that are redefining outdoor aesthetics. Discover innovative landscaping tips to seamlessly integrate pavers and walkways with your natural surroundings. Get inspired by minimalistic, geometric, and intricate designs that add a touch of elegance to any outdoor setting. Don't forget to drop a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. I'm excited to see where my viewers are tuning in from around the world. From sleek urban designs to beautiful countryside pathways, we have curated a collection that caters to every style and preferences. Join us on this journey to reimagine what's possible with modern paver and walkway designs. Designing paver walkways involves careful planning and attention to various elements. Here are some tips to guide you. Number 1. Determine the purpose of the walkway and plan its layout accordingly. Consider factors like traffic flow, curves, and focal points. Number 2. Choose paver materials that suits your aesthetic and functional needs. Options include concrete, natural stone, bricks, and more. Consider durability, slip resistance, and ease of maintenance. Number 3. Properly prepare the area by removing any grass, weeds, or dubs. Ensure proper drainage to prevent water accumulation. Number 4. Create a solid base using crushed stones and sand. This provides stability and prevents settlings. Compact the base thoroughly to prevent sinking or swifting. Number 5. Select a paver pattern that complements your landscape. Common patterns include herringbone, basket weave, and running bound. Some patterns are better suited by stability and others for aesthetics. Number 6. Install edge restraints to keep the pavers in place and prevent swifting over time. Use materials like plastic, metal, or concrete. Number 7. Ensure the pavers are level and aligned properly. A slight slope away from structures helps with water drainage. Number 8. Fill the gaps between paver with jointing materials like sand or polymeric sand. This stabilizes the paver and prevents weed growth. Number 9. Consider sealing the pavers to enhance their appearance and protect them from stain, fadings, and weathering. Number 10. Integrate landscaping elements such as plants, lighting, and focal points to enhance the overall aesthetic of the walkway. Number 11. Ensure your walkway is accessible for everyone, including individuals with mobility changes. Maintain a smooth and even surface. Number 12. Regularly sweep the walkway to prevent debris buildup. Reapply jointing materials as needed and inspect for any sunken or damaged pavers. Number 13. Check local regulations and codes before starting your project to ensure compliance with any necessary permits or guidelines. Number 14. Plan your project budget carefully, considering the cost of materials, labor, and any additional features. Remember, every landscape is unique, so adopt these tips to fit your specific needs and preferences. If unsure, consulting with a professional landscaper can provide valuable insights and expertise. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest design. If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.